Hello Kenta friends! In this video, we will be exploring 3 of the best drum applications available for Android devices. Let's dive in and discover the exciting world of virtual drumming with these fantastic applications. WeDrum. WeDrum is a virtual drum application that offers a realistic drumming experience for users on their Android devices. With a variety drum kits to choose from, including snare drum, tom drum, kick drum, cymbal, and hi-hat, users can customize and create their own unique sound. The app allows users to adjust tempo, volume, and drum sound settings, providing flexibility and control over their drumming. Whether you're a beginner learning to play drums or a seasoned drummer looking for a portable practice tool, WeDrum offers a wide range of features to suit every level of expertise. Percussion. Percussion is another virtual drum application that provides users with a diverse collection of percussion instruments to play and enjoy. Featuring drums such as conga, bongo, tambourine, and maracas, the app allows users to explore and experiment with different sounds and rhythms. Users can adjust tempo and volume settings to create their own unique beats and melodies, making it a versatile tool for music creation and experimentation. Percussion offers an immersive and engaging drumming experience for users of all skill levels, from beginners to advanced drummers. WeDrum. WeDrum is a user-friendly virtual drum application that offers a fun and interactive way to learn and play drums on your Android device. The app features a wide selection of drum kits and popular songs for users to practice and play along with. With different difficulty levels available, users can challenge themselves and improve their drumming skills at their own pace. WeDrum also provides interactive tutorials and practice modes to help users hone their drumming techniques and abilities. As we wrap up this video, we hope you've enjoyed an overview of the top drum applications for Android. Thanks for watching.